Yes, it's true. I'm actually giving away $100,000. And in less than a minute, you're gonna find out exactly how you can win it. Listen, a few weeks ago, I was sitting on a call with Shopify when they said something that changed everything. They told me that in this entire space, with all the content, all the courses, all the gurus, there still weren't enough people teaching beginners how to build a Shopify store and make it actually work. And I'll be real with you guys, I took that as a challenge. I told them, no, my audience was different. That given the right system and the right support, the people watching my content could build real businesses, just like Jacob. And I was so convicted about that I put my personal reputation on the line. I bet them $100,000 to prove it, and they took the bet. But now, I need you guys to help me win it. The Auto Ecom $100,000 challenge. 90 days. I walk you through the exact system I've used myself. And if you execute it, you're in the running for up to $100,000. Now, the challenge is 100% free to enter. All you need to get started is a Shopify store. And for the first 3 months, that's literally $3. Look, and if this system didn't work, the one that I've used to scale dozens of stores past 6 figures, you'd think I would have made that bet. So if you've been sitting there spending the last 6 months watching all these videos telling yourself that you'll start when the timing is right, this is the right time. There's literally money on the table for you to start. The only thing that is standing between you and that money right now is a decision. You either jump in or you watch someone else do it. The link is in the description to join right now. I'll see you there.